This is Wanda Peak. This is still the American Music Show. This is not to sit in the news. This is where James is going to be interviewing me to take over Dick's job, which I don't really want to do, except I got to have some more money because my apartment is too hot and I need to buy some kind of electric fan or something because that Operation Breeze has been shut down and they ain't going to start it back up.
Well, do you want the job?
Well, if it means that I'm going to get any more money and maybe be treated like something, then I reckon I can do, you know, whatever he's been doing.
Usually the co-host pays me. That's usually the way it's been working.
Well, the only money I got is what y'all pay me, and then I ain't enough to pay nothing.
I think you could do it, though.
Well, how much more money does he pay?
Huh?
How much more money does this job pay?
It doesn't pay any more money.
Well, I'm not interested in it then. This is too hot. Don't you have some kind of fan or air conditioner or something you can cool it off with? And everybody hollering back there and waiting for the bathroom.
I thought you wanted to be on TV.
Well, I did when Mr. Vance and Ms. Duncan was telling me how it's going to be professional and y'all was going to be like a regular show and have the news. And they said, come down here and interview for this job. And they said, this is how you're finally going to get your car fixed. You're going to get your child in some better daycare, which is something I've been asking for since I come on this show. And I've been doing the news. I've been going out doing investigative journalism. I've been trying to hear something about this woman they sent off in this boat. We don't know where she is. Her family's been calling me. They want to know what kind of operation this is here and what is this a front for and what are Dick and James really doing. I've got a lot of questions about it.
We got a letter from Elizabeth from the boat. I have a letter from her.
Well, didn't nobody put it on the news desk? You can kind of see what kind of program it is, I think, from that. If you ask me, there's enough been said.